Hello, my name is Muscat. I am in 6.2 SWA and my project is regarding data scraping. My theme regarding data scraping is Donald Trump and politics, and I have chosen five different news portals which collect data regarding Donald Trump. The resources are BBC News, Los Angeles Sentinel, the New York Times, the West Journal News, and the New York Daily News. For my main project IDE, I have chosen Visual Studio, which contains different classes. And the first thing I want to show you is my first console application. The use of my first console application, which is the extracting article safe, is to scrape data from the internet and collect it in a database. In this console I have five different classes mainly, and each class holds a source, which I have said before. And the last class, which is run all programs, runs all the classes together, which I will start now. Now what the console application does is it connects to the internet, downloads all the HTML data that it needs, which is done in the coding, and updates the database that we have already. Once the database is updated, you can see the console application, which we have some options to choose from. In the first choice of the menu, you can see how the application works if you need some instructions. In the second option, you can see where the text files are saved, and if you want to exit, you can exit using the number 3. Now, once that is run through, all that data is saved into the Microsoft SQL Server 2014. So all the articles are saved in here. As you can see, the data that is collected is the article name, the source, the article date, and the article information. Now I have chosen MVC to show all of this into a website. What I have done is I constructed three other library classes, which are the business logic, the common, and the data access. And the common we are connecting with the database using the model. And here we can see the table of the articles table. In the business logic and the data access, we are extracting all the methods that need to connect with our website. Mainly in the data access, we are getting all the articles from the common, and in the business logic, we are throwing some exceptions and for the program of what to do when it is called in the controller. In the web scraper, we can see the model, the view, and the controllers. And this is the website. Now, in the model, we are collecting all the data and variables in the database. In the controller, we are doing different methods to apply with the view of the website, and the views, it is the front end of what the user will see. Now, if we start the website, we can see how the website is working. There are 5 different web pages. In the first one, you can see all the articles regarding BBC. In the second one, all the articles regarding New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the Los Angeles Sentinel, and the New York Daily News. In the main homepage, we can see all the loaded articles with the article title and the article source. There is a search at the top, and there is a docked sidebar on the far right. On the far right, the sidebar is showing all the count of the articles loaded on the main page. Now, hence, every time you update the console application, the numbers will change. If you want to search, for example, for which articles show America, use the search, and you have all the articles which show America. You have 3 which are of BBC, New York Times has 0 articles regarding America, the Los Angeles have 2, and the New York Daily have 1. If you want to see, for example, all the searches regarding Trump, you write Trump, and you have all the counts of the articles on the far right. That is my console application. What some improvements I would like to see is the automatical linking of articles without the search. That would regard some algorithms which I tend to use in my last year doing my bachelor's of honors in programming, in software programming, and I hope to learn more about data scraping and how it works. Thanks a lot for seeing my application. I hope you enjoyed it, and good day.